you're watching Captured by a Cage on YouTube, thank you so much for subscribing, and make sure you guys like and comment below so we can create a community. Cheers! As you guys can see, I have a new layout. I'm still in the bathroom, but I'm actually able to sit down and the lighting is still okay. So as you guys can see by the title, I have some information to share with you guys regarding photography and the things that I wish I had known before I entered into this career, because it would have helped me so much. So I'm hoping that the things I tell you will help you and you'll learn from my experiences and my mistakes. Okay. So the first things first. Sorry, I have so much energy, guys. I don't know where to put it. I know where I want to put it, but I don't have nobody. No, I'm joking. Oh my god. So I would say the first thing, guys, I need to let you ladies, I need to let you men know that photography, the money, the moolah, the dinero, the euros, the dollars, the pounds, darling, the pounds. It's an expensive career path. Like, you have to invest so much money in this. Everything is expensive when it comes to photography, especially when it comes to the equipment. My God. When I first started, which was around 2 years ago, I just basically woke up one day, very spontaneous, because I'm quite a spontaneous person, and I was like, I'm gonna be a photographer and I'm gonna take headshots of actors, and that's what I'm gonna do. And I literally did that. My first camera and lens, well, my only camera and lens, it cost £400, and it was secondhand and it was in good condition, so I was very happy about that. It was a very reliable website, and literally weeks and weeks I was researching photography, and I was like, oh my god, there's so many other little things that I need to buy. But at that time I was like, okay, I don't know if I'm taking this serious, I don't need to purchase everything. But just to help you guys out, for example, when it comes to flash photography, majority of cameras have a built-in flash, but it is pretty much crap and forbidden in our community because it causes harsh lighting and it's just terrible in every single way. So you need to purchase a flash that attaches to your camera, or you can get a flash that just can hang outside of your camera, whatever, right? And then you start thinking about, okay, well, I need to learn how to edit my photos. Photoshop and flipping Lightroom. Guys, this is part of the list as well. You need to know the basics of how to use Adobe, Photoshop and Lightroom, and thank God they actually have tutorials once you pay and download it. But it's something that every photographer needs to know. You don't have to be so advanced, because advanced people, they do like retouching, and I think retouching, I absolutely love retouching. I think it's amazing how you can make someone go from pimples to absolutely flawless, like a completely different person. But if you don't want to do that, that's fine, but it's important that you learn the basics, because you're going to need to use it eventually. And I don't think you should be naive about not using it. Like, you should use it as a photographer, and it costs around, depending on what package you get, but I think it's no more than £15 a month. I think my package is £9 a month, but I don't have every single thing because I don't have InDesign. But literally, it's not that much money a month, but that adds on to what I'm saying. This is a very expensive field. It's crazy. So my advice would be to create a budget, a finance plan of what you actually want to do, what field you're going down, and how much money that you're willing to spend. But with that being said, what really shocked me, is when I saw a lens. I saw a lens, guys, and it was £1,339. £1,339. Say it with me, £1,339. I said, bruh. I said, I can't afford that. That's ridiculous. I was shocked. I was so shocked. But then thankfully I was surrounded by a lot of people in the photography industry who told me about this website called Fat Llama, and now you guys know about Fat Llama, where you can rent photography equipment from lenses, camera bodies, lighting equipment. You can literally rent so many things, and you can also rent your own stuff, so you can also make money as well. But I would recommend you, if you're going to rent from these places, make sure you check the reviews and make sure people have 5 stars. You do not want to go for anybody who has less than 4 stars, and you don't want to go for anybody that just has 2 reviews. It's not worth it, okay? But that saved my life, because I thought, oh my god, that lens is so expensive. Like, what am I going to do with my life? This is mad. It's mad. But that's why you have to respect photographers when they say, oh, I charge this much, because I think it's more disrespectful. Like, once you're in the photography industry and you realize how expensive everything is, when your friends are like, oh, let's do something for free, it makes you want to punch them in the face. Like, I'm not violent, yeah, but my inner thought is like, do you know how much I spent? It's like, I have prices for a reason, okay? This is not friends rates or friends benefits. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. To the photographers that are subscribed to this channel, please comment below if you've had similar experiences to me. Thumbs up if this was a helpful video. I love you so much. Thank you for supporting. Mwah, mwah, mwah.